That's okay. Watch yourself. There we go. Well, I wanted to see underneath of what's going on here, of why it's so difficult. But some things did not go as planned. Really cannot get the rear axle. So, yeah, it's got a sway bar system, but I don't know if it's either put on or what. Because I don't know if that's original. Of course it's not original rear axle, but I don't know if it's original setup is what I'm trying to go as, because there's some stuff welded on, but I'm trying to see on other things on what's there and what's not. So yeah, this is gonna be fun to ratchet back, because once I get it down, I'm gonna have to get inside and see if I can't get it out of the gear, because we're having some difficulty. We're having some difficulty. Oh, dirt. Oh, what? I got an X cross member right there. Yeah, right here's the main frame. Right there's an X member. Huh. Well, that's interesting. This will be a good pattern to make for some other things. For extra support. How about that? Because I see X members, cross members like this, that our relative Buck puts on his convertibles, and other people put on their convertibles. So yeah, okay, that's interesting. And of course I got a boo-boo right there I gotta fix. Just gotta make a paper pattern from one side, flip it and turn it over. But yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna finish unloading this thing. Wind sound warning. It wasn't blowing like this about an hour ago, but she's down. And oh, to show you something, she bit me. Yeah, she bit me. So I want to dub this car like a past barn cat that we used to have, Susie Q, because she's got an attitude just like that old sweet barn cat. So this engine may not be no good. I'm not sure yet. It's a big block straight 6. Of course the GM stamp in the back. Really couldn't find much to pop this up yet. See the GM stamp in the back? Or stamp, yeah, that's a good one. I don't know what size this is. I'm still not sure what body this is. I know there's a body plate there, but I got to run the numbers. I got to take a picture of it. Uh-oh. No, not uh-oh. She's dusty through and through, but plenty of room to put a 4-speed of some sort that's backed behind of some sort of Oldsmobile rocket. Not sure what that window's to. Actually, I'd be tickled if it's for like a 56 Chevy, but I have to find out here. There's a lot of stuff in here that I gotta dig out and sort through. That might be a headlamp. I got, of course, a dent in the roof. And Tucker pointed this out. I actually have wood right here for this. But yeah, so wood outing of some sort. I think that might be a delete for like a, maybe, I don't know, maybe like a clock. So she's gonna be original, but not original. She's gonna be one of those sleeper cars, just more like a cruiser. Everything electrical windows, just everything updated. I got to figure out for this back seat on how to make a proper seat belt system. At least something that goes up from the top and to the back. Yeah, reinforce a few things a little bit more. But all in all, I gotta find out how solid this car is. The frame is I don't know what to say on the frame. It's just extremely good. I don't know how long this car has been sitting. Yeah. What the heck are these big belts from a... that looks like a belt from some sort of a farm tractor equipment. Yeah, farming equipment. All right, there's a support. Yeah, it looks like it goes right here. This spot right here. Yeah, well, this is my prize. I now want to try to find a 41 Oldsmobile Coupe, but those are kind of hard to find. These two-door sedans are hard to find themselves. They're kind of rare because you always find the four doors. You're a dirty girl. Look at that. Body by Fisher. What is not Body by Fisher on GM? Yeah, there's... Look how far up that dirt was. I'll keep the original seat. I'll just update it, upgrade it. Yeah. I want to dig through this car, but the wind's blowing and dirt will be everywhere. And my goggles are kind of shot from last year. I'm not sure what this actually goes to. That starter might go to this. Let's get a number here. Oh, geez. Sitting there for a while. Oh, look at that. Still not locked up, so it's got a good chance of being redone. So we got a Delco Remy. I'm trying not to press too hard. Yeah, automotive electrical equipment. I'll get the camera decent here. I don't know if that'll show up decent in the camera. So, I don't know what series it is. I can't get the door open, and I don't know where the VIN numbers are at. I know where the body numbers are. I could probably find out from there. But, yeah, I need to stop doing that. But yeah, I'm going to keep the original seat. I'll just upgrade it. Because I love these old kind of bench split seats. Yeah. Because I was talking to one guy, and his grandpa had one of these. And he says they were one of the best sitting seats ever. And of course, he said he was a kid. But he even said his grandpa was a bigger man, almost like me. He was able to fit behind that steering wheel. And this is some sort of a 3-speed. I'm not sure what actually it is because it's a 41. It could be a 3-speed. But yeah, I just don't know where to exactly begin in here, but I don't want to throw up too much dust because it, you know, blows. Yeah. The old Oldsmobile emblem. Yeah, I'm just happy that all this is flat glass because that can be replaced. That can be replaced. Here in the front can be replaced. So yeah, she'll get styled. I'll probably get to this in the next 4 to 5 years, along with some other things, depending on how stuff goes online. So, but yeah, she's home. My front bumper is shot. Back bumper is savable. I hope that wasn't too loud. Trying to open it with one hand. And on this side, if I can actually raise it up. But we got here? We got service parts. And this right here, dug in the dirt, is a wheel well. I don't know where this car came from, but yeah, see? That wheel well is all filled up. I'm probably expecting like a 14-inch. The old 14-inch for these. And, oh, we got a color. Looks like she was that deep dark navy blue. How's the camera? Dirty. Yeah, hold on here, let me wipe it off. Okay, that's a lot better. Oh, there's my light cable, what's left of it. So I'm only missing a few bits and pieces. Tail lights, which I guess crossover from all of them. And this does not want to close. There we go. Missing the back chrome piece. I can't remember what goes up right here. Missing the gas cover, which is no big deal. I always make one. So the major damage on this car, once I find out what's going on with the floorboard, if it's decent, I'm hoping the dirt preserved it. But fenders, both fenders on each side, front and back, the hood. And here's a kicker. The front clip off of these interchanged with all the others in 41 of Oldsmobile of this particular model. So I kind of get a back shot here. And so almost done grabbing the cars. I got one more. Tucker's got two more. And that's pretty much it. But we're saving the best for last to grab on the trailer. So that pretty much ends it there. Thank you very much for the support. We're getting subscribers again. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. We're not asking for no Patreon or no donations. We're just asking for subscribers, because all that stuff from YouTube helps us out. And when we get a shop in the future, which might be maybe later this year or next, depending on how things go, then we'll go on to phase 2. There's more dust in my eye. But yeah, my very first Oldsmobile, my very first one. Now I wonder how difficult it's going to be to find a coupe. They're out there. There's one online for $7,000, but that ain't $7,000 that I haven't got. So, but that pretty much ends this video. So this will be uploaded on Monday, because I had a hard time unloading it today. Had some stuff yesterday and it was starting to rain, so yeah, it was pretty cold too. It rained, I mean not rain, well not just rain, but it snowed to the west and to the north of us, so we were getting the blunt of it. But alrighty, I'll end this video there, so I'll catch y'all another time. And looks like I got a stress split. I'll have to find out what's going on. Could be caused from this, or a pop, or just old age from the body. But like I said, frame solid, it's perfect. But alrighty, y'all have a good night, take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again. Yeah, we got to. Could be worse. Could be worse. Okay. With this trailer, who knows anymore?